Sunba 3D joystick controls analog cameras using RS485 interface. What you first need is a twisted pair to connect to the positive and negative port of the joystick. The twisted RS485 pair can be any Ethernet cable like Cat5, 5E, or Cat6. Also, we don't recommend any pre-made RS485 cables, though those cables are very likely to be parallel instead of twisted. And the camera's RS485 port also has a positive and negative end. Now the blue side faces positive and the green line faces negative. You can see we cut the head of the Ethernet cable and made it into an RS485 cable. And please do remember to pull the plastic cover of the twisted pair out, and otherwise it won't be able to transmit any data. And again, blue is positive and green is negative here.